Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. So in this video, we're going to understand one of the most asked and most asked thing or the code in many companies, Infosys, TCS, Capgemini, many companies. This question is very common. Most of the companies, this has been asked. For a given string, check whether the string is palindrome or not. So first of all, what am a palindrome? Uh, I'll give an example because I have means if you read same thing from starting to end and at last to first, then the spelling will be the same. For example, I'll give some example because I have only one example in my mind, which is Malayalam word. So examples of palindrome string. Just I'm taking an example to show you what I mean by palindrome. That's all. Okay, like this. Civic. C. Civic. Starting. Civic. If you read from the back, Civic. Same thing. Rader. Read from the back. Rader. Level. Got it? So refer, madam, kayak, rotor, everything. So this is what example of a palindrome. So same way we need to write a code to check whether the given string is a palindrome or not. So let's understand this. Very simple way, and you guys not going to forget this. Very simple. I am going to show you over here. All right. So let's understand this. First thing we need to read a string. So for that, what we'll do? So we'll take an input of a string. So in Java, we use scanner to take an input. So scanner in is equal to new scanner system dot in. Oops. Yeah, okay. System dot in. All right. So yes. So here I'm going to read a string. So the first thing I'm going to create a variable to store that string. So string str is equal to in dot next. Str is a variable name and nothing much. All right. So in dot next. Okay. So here we are reading a string and storing in a variable called str. See, okay, so more than explanation in a code, it's better to give a diagrammatic understanding first. So what I'll do is I'm going to open. Okay, let's open Node itself. Okay, here we have. I'm going to open. Let's open Paint itself. Okay, it's a light app and we can use this. Let me explain this first over here. All right. So let's say you have I'm going to take a pen or pencil, whatever it is. Let's take a natural. Wait. Let me take something. Okay. Okay. Let's take a pen. All right. So here we have like this. So let me take some purple color. All right. See, you have a string. Let's say R or let's say level L V. Sorry, LEVEL. All right. Okay, all right. See, our string starts from here. Let's consider 0 as an index. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. The index is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the what is the total length? How many characters we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have total 5 characters. All right. So what we need to do? We need to reverse this string, which means so we need to make this 4 to come over here. Okay, 4 work here. So what we have at 4? L. Got it? And we need to bring this 3 to work here. So what we have at 3 position is E. At second position we have that also we need to bring it work here next to 3. So 2 lev. So 1 we need to bring it over here. So which means if you consider lev and this position we need to come bring over here. Lev here means so we need to reverse from here to here. Okay, we need to reverse it. And then for the original string, we need to compare this reverse string RS. This reverse string, this is our original gangster kind of original string. So if both of them are same or equal, which means the entered string is a palindrome. In our case, level is a palindrome, correct? So both are equal from starting to end also, end to starting also, both are equal. So that's why if original string and the reverse string is equal, that is our palindrome. I hope you got an idea, but we'll understand this. The first step, what we need is we need to reverse the entered string. So, how to reverse? So, if you want to reverse, you need to visit each and every character. So, in our case, we need to reverse it over here. So, we are going to read a string from the last position instead of the first position. All right. So, how to do that? Very simple. I'll show you. The first thing we need the total length of a string. So what is the total length? So let's consider um, length is equal to 0 as of now. Oh, sorry. Define it the length. str dot length. We got the length. All right. So we got the length of a original string. So let me do it like this. Original string. I'm going to keep it like this so that there won't be any confusion. Original string, and we got the original string length. All right. So now for the next step. So for you can't able to use enhance for loop over here because we need to read from the last index. So if you see over here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So what is the total length? What is the total count of this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So what is the index over here is 4, which means our length we have here, let's say if you consider level 5. So we need to minus the length. So we need to start I is equal to length. If you consider length as 5, we need to minus it 1. So I is equal to length minus 1. All right. So I is greater than or equal to 0 and I minus from 4 to 3, 3 to 2, 2 to 1. So we are reading at the end. All right. So here we have. Got it? So now, oh, here we need to give int. All right, done. Okay. So if we are reading from last character of a string, we need to store the last character in a new string, right? So for that's why here I'm going to create a one more string called reverse string like this. All right, reverse string. So now the next step, reverse string is equal to reverse string plus we need to store the character of this at that position character of this original string. Got it? So now let's read it. From the original string dot at char at of which position? Ith position. In this case, this would if you consider level, this case the I will be 5. Oh yeah, 4. The fourth position of original string will be saved in a reverse string as a first character. I hope it's clear. All right. So let's give a semicolon. All right. So now here we got the reverse string, and the next step here we have original string, and here we have our reverse string. So just we need to compare if original string, okay, dot equals reverse string. So if both are equal, what does it mean? It means the string is a palindrome. So let's print out entered entered string is a palindrome. Got it? So if it's not equal, obviously the entered string is not a palindrome, right? So let's print it over here. Entered string is not a palindrome. So let's run our code and let's see how it is going to be. The first step, I'm going to enter a string named as car. So car is a palindrome. CAR, RAC. Both are different. Obviously, it's not a palindrome. Correct? So let's enter our same example, which is level. So Level. Level, and if you read it from the end, Level. Both are same, which is entered string is a palindrome. We got the perfect output and our code is perfect. Right. Yes. So let's give some more example. For example, radar. Radar. So entered string is a palindrome. Correct. So let's give one more. The last one. Mm, let's say two more. So palindrome one, madam. 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 It's a palindrome. So let's check. Let's say apple. Apple obviously it's not a palindrome. So that's why we are getting as entered string is not a palindrome. All right. So I hope you guys understood how to write a palindrome code in very simple to keep it remember. All right. And also I'll give all the codes in the description or in the pin comment. Please do check it if you want it. All right. So I hope you have understood this. All right. So if you have understood this, please do like this video, and if you're new to our channel, please do subscribe the learning mighty. So let's meet in our next video. Until then, take care. Goodbye. Bye bye.